During construction, there are a lot of construction plants used, and one of them is crane. So, what is crane? Cranes are lifting devices designed to raise materials by means of rope operation and move the load horizontally within the limitations of any machine. The range of cranes available is very wide, so the choice must be based on the loads to be lifted, height and distance to be covered, time period of lifting operations, and utilization factors.
Construction cranes are generally classified into two major types, namely mobile crane and tower cranes. The lifting capacity and working range of a crane is important in selecting the suitable crane in performing a given task. There are 7 types of mobile crane, but the most common in Malaysia are crawler crane. The crawler tracks are possible to use on soft ground and sites with limited improvement without sinking. Next is telescopic. It has a self-contained telescoping boom. It can collapse and compact on itself. It is highly adaptable for variety situations such as construction jobs, rescue operation, or other emergency. After that, rough terrain. These cranes are used for pick and carry operation off-road and on rough terrains. The undercarriage is outfitted with 4 large rubber tires that are typically equipped with 4-wheel drive. We move to tower crane. There are 4 types of tower cranes, but the most common in Malaysia are: first is self-supporting static tower crane, which have high lifting capacity with the tower fixed to a foundation base. They are suitable for confined and open sites. Lastly, climbing cranes. They are used in conjunction with tall buildings and structure. The climbing tower is housed within the structure and raised as the height of the structure is increased.
One of the major causes of fatalities during construction is in the use of cranes or derricks during lifting operations. Accidents like blind lifting and poor communication can lead to machine failure and fatality. Cases like a tower crane that fell from 11-story high at a construction site near Damansara in 2014, killing the operator of the crane and opened engineers' eyes on taking safety seriously. Previously, there was a situation where the crane swung around and fatally crushed a rigger. This happened because the rigger didn't know the safety swing radius of the crane and no barricade was used. There are also 2 infrequently factors contribute to crane accident, which is environment. Hazardous and weather conditions can contribute to crane accident due to the crane operator's low visibility and will make it difficult to lift operations. The other factor will be site condition, which is less investigation of ground condition can cause a failure of the tower crane foundation.
To solve all the problems, there are new technologies in Malaysia market such as Maklut DX LMI Load Moment Indicator. It provides necessary information to make safe lifts within the operational capabilities of the crane. The console will display maximum load, and if it is overloaded, an audio-visual alarm alerts the operator to make immediate action. The safety at the site is also considered by using Maklut DX. Next, new technology in Malaysia market is Con Cranes. It is for continuous high-performance operation. This is supported by increased ergonomics, a greater focus on the user, and digitalization of numerous areas. Their features consist of load anti-sway and lifting high and working radius limitations. Lastly, it's Libha. The crane use recyclable components. Libha use the latest technologies to ensure that their products and facilities are in line with industry standards. They also work with environmental protection agencies to minimize impact on the environment.